Mark II AC, no-hose installation. This video will focus on the no-hose installation technique of Mark II AC. Suppose you are using the Mark II AC in a small, insulated space. The Mark II produces cool air from the front and heated air from the back. Without a medium to transfer the heated air away from the area you want to cool, the cooling effect is very minimal. Therefore, we do not recommend you to use this method in small, insulated spaces like tents or car cabins, but rather larger, more open environments. Couple examples could be when you're in an open outdoor environment, or if you're in a large room, just point the Mark II directly at yourself and enjoy a cool breeze. You can refer to this picture and select the method that suits your setup and cooling needs best.